Here we come to the elevator at the Phillips Event Center in Bryan, Texas. This is a country club. Big thank you to Phillips for letting me record your elevator. This is an older Otis Series 1 from 1987. I like that arrow font. James has recorded this elevator before. Oh, and the indicator works. Nice. 2. Here's your phone. Also, look at this call button right here. Look at this. It still says down when we are already on the first floor, when there's only, and that says up. That looks like somebody just flipped the call station around. They need to flip the call station upside down, so they need to like turn it around. Here's a view of the fixtures. Anyways, I only have like 10 to 15 minutes, so out of respect for the staff, I'm gonna have to wrap it up quick. So I'm gonna let you hear this motor one more time. And once again, thank you so much to the fine staff for letting me record this elevator. This is awesome. I finally get to do it. I finally get to do it after James, also known as Bryan College Station Elevators and More. All right, let's go back up in there. Okay, we're gonna watch it close. There it goes. And that's it.